My name's Leigh-Ann. I live out in the country. Grew up on a dairy farm, so I am a farmer's daughter. I was able to build my home that I live in with my husband. Hydro bills, it's quite common. Everyone's complaining about the price of hydro, and I absolutely refuse to pay those monthly bills. Price of that, I thought, no, I'm going totally off grid. There's just no way. Like myself, I must have called 7 companies to try to get some prices. XOLAR was one of them, and with the price of what I needed for my house, and that it fit my budget. It was relatively smooth. I just kept seeing all this equipment come in. I'm going, holy. I know a lot of equipment is required for it. Once it was all mounted on my wall, it was kind of like, wow, it's quite compact. I've talked to a couple other people that have had solar or have it. They were kind of surprised to see just how compact it is for what I've got that runs my house. If somebody's house goes out for a power outage, it doesn't affect me at all. I have power whether my neighbors are out or whatever, I still got power. And when I was paying bills yesterday, it's just like, holy, I got a pile of money left. It's amazing how much money you can save when you're totally off grid. My generator hasn't had to kick in. So with the generator being my backup to charge my batteries, sun has been really good so far. So my generator hasn't kicked in, so the panels are sucking in the sun, which is great. For the winter time, that will be the only spot where I'm going to have sustain with the power. And my generator doesn't kick in, being it's on propane, so that would be the only bill I would really have to worry about. But all the savings I get with the solar, paying that bill shouldn't be an issue. With my place being totally off grid, everyone's fascinated with it. I recommend it, totally, especially if somebody's looking to save money. Big savings for everybody. When you think about something, look into it. Do your research. I didn't have too many shockers going into this. Everything's price competitive. And I found that biggest thing with the solar. When everyone's complaining about their hydro bill, I can say, I don't have one. I can honestly say I don't have one. I'll run off of solar for the hot water. And I run my stove, my washer and dryer. It's all run from my solar. I basically had all my questions answered. Come to the end of the month, I didn't have a hydro bill to pay, so it's been awesome.